and I, along with Nisha, will be presenting Odissi for you all. Odissi, rooted in temple traditions of Odisha, is widely recognized as oldest surviving dance of India. For centuries, it lived in sacred spaces carried forward by devotional practitioners. Today, presenting Odissi at Bandstand feels especially meaningful. Just as this heritage is being lovingly revived by Heritage Begu, classical arts too continue to find new life when they are shared with the community. Today's Odissi offering includes two items. I invite you all to experience this offering not just as a performance, but a moment of shared stillness and emotion. The first item I will be presenting today is called Panchabhuta, the five elements in God's grand creation: Prithvi, Mother Earth; Jala, water; Agni, fire; Vayu, air; and Akasha, the space or sky. This composition depicts the five elements which create and sustain all living things. Elements of pranayama, breathing, and yoga have been incorporated in this dance as a means of becoming closer with the Supreme Being. The first element is Prithvi, or Mother Earth, who nurtures all living things beyond our time. The second element is Jala, or water, the source of life and purifier of human action. The third element is Agni, or fire, born from the ancient Vedas or sacred texts. Agni represents knowledge and is vanquisher of the most destructive enemy of mankind, ignorance. The fourth element is Vayu, or wind, the invisible but ever present air which continually breathes life into the cosmos. The last element is Akasha, or the sky, which stretches beyond all limits and conveys divine vibrations from cosmos to earth. The rag is Rag Malika, Tal Malika, choreography by Padma Shri Guru Aruna Mahanti, music Guru Ram Hari Das, and rhythm composition Guru Dhanbeshwar Swayam. Now Panchabhuta.
आनंद कंदाय प्रणतार्ति दुराय च नीलाचल निवासाय जगन्नाथाय ते नमः जगन्नाथाय ते नमः जगन्नाथाय ते नमः पृथ्वी 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 तोयाधृतालो गाथा देवी त्वं विष्णुनाभूता देवी त्वं विष्णुनाभूता ॐ च धारयामि देवी त्वं च धारयामि देवी त्वं च धारयामि देवी सर्वं सहा वसुधरे सर्वं सहा वसुधरे सर्वं सहा वसुधरे सर्वं सहा वसुधरे पृथ्वी 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 जीवनं सर्वभूतानां जीवनं सर्वशुद्धिविनाशनं सर्वशुद्धिविनाशनं सर्ववीर्यमयं देवी सर्ववीर्यमयं देवी महाभूतं नमाम्यहं महाभूतं नमाम्यहं महाभूतं नमाम्यहं जीव जीवनं जीवनं ॐ अग्नये स्वाहा ॐ धामये स्वाहा ॐ प्रमुखाय स्वाहा रक्तवर्णं महाभूतं टिं तरनन टिं टिं तरनन टिं तरनन टिं टिं तरनन टिं टिं तरनन टिं तरनन टिं रक्तवर्णं महाभूतं त्वां तारिं सर्वतो रक्तवर्णं महाभूतं त्वां तारिं सर्वतो त्वां तारिं सर्वतो ज्योतिर्मयं जातवेदम् ज्योतिर्मयं जातवेदं प्रणमामि महाज्योति प्रणमामि महाज्योति प्रणमामि महाज्योति धनं जयं महाभूतं धनं जयं महाभूतं जगता जीवनं सदा धनं जयं महाभूतं जगता जीवनं सदा आयुरूपं विभूतानम् आयुरूपं विभूतानम् आयुरूपं विभूतानम् नमामि वन्दे मातरम् वायुवर्णे बान्धवम् वायुवर्णे बान्धवम् वायुवर्णे सप्तगुणं यावा भूम्यान्तरस्थितं यावा भूम्यान्तरस्थितं प्रणमामि महाभूतं प्रणमामि महाभूतम् आकाशम् 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 आकाशं सर्वतो सुखम् आकाशं सर्वतो सुखं प्रणमामि महाभूतं प्रणमामि महाभूतं पंचभूत नमाम्यहं पंचभूत नमाम्यहं पंचभूत नमाम्यहं नमामि महाभूतं नमामि महाभूतं पंचभूत नमाम्यहं पंचभूत नमाम्यहं पंचभूत नमाम्यहं पंचभूत नमाम्यहम्